are shooting with Nidhi Subbaiah, a model turned actor. She's done N number of TV commercials and the one she got noticed with was Fair and Lovely. She's done 7 Kannada movies and the one she's working on right now is Anna Bond, opposite Prithvi Rajkumar. And she's supporting Karnataka Bulldozers.
The interesting aspect was the way the water was flowing from the shower and the kind of lovely silhouette she was able to give for the camera under the water.
Do I really have to ask you about this photo shoot because you were so gorgeous and I don't have words right now. You were fantastic in your last shot.
Thank you, Iris. The Get Gorgeous winner telling me that I'm gorgeous is really a very big compliment.
I'm touched. So, do you follow cricket?
Well, yes, I do. When the big matches happen, of course I do.
Okay, now there's this question for you. It's a little controversial, but I need to ask you. Do you think cricketers, or I should say actors, can make good cricketers?
Well, I guess all actors would have played cricket during their childhood days, maybe gully cricket or cricket on the Maidan.
That's a diplomatic answer.
So that's not I'm just giving a justification or as to why actors can also be good. And also in between shots, I must tell you, we play a lot of cricket.
Yeah?
In the movies.
Okay.
A lot of cricket is being played. So I think actors make fantastic cricketers.
That's nice. So tell me, like your journey towards stardom, your journey towards acting, where did it all start from?
Wow, that was like almost 3 years back now. It started off with a Fair and Lovely commercial, a TV commercial. And I was modeling before that in Bangalore, and then the offers started coming in. So since I was from Bangalore, I thought I'd start off with Kannada, and since I know the language very well, so that's how I started doing movies. And right now I'm working on my 7th movie with Puneet Rajkumar called Anna Bond.
Oh, nice. So good luck for your movie and best of luck for the entire journey that you have.
I had a wonderful time today, I must add.
Yeah.
Especially in the last shot where I had to play with the water. And
Right. We all saw that. It was fantastic.
I hope the photos have come out as well.